Hello, I'm Christine Ponce and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Condo Control Central. In today's video, we'll be talking about the new Amenity Booking feature. This feature has assisted many clients in approving, tracking, and managing amenity bookings online. Today, I will walk you through how to set up your Amenity Booking page, which includes uploading photos, adding your rules, terms and conditions, and payment options if applicable. I'll also be showing you how it looks like from a resident's point of view. So let's get started. Once you have logged into Condo Control Central, the first thing you need to do is go to the Setup page, which can be found on your top right-hand corner where it says Welcome. Click on the Setup option and go to the left-hand side menu and click on Amenities. This will bring you to the Amenity Settings page where you enable or disable the amenity booking for your owners and residents by clicking on the pencil edit icon, choosing from the drop-down list, and click Save. Next is where you can upload a banner image of your choice for the amenity booking landing page. This image will be shown at the top of the amenity details page. This is currently set with a default image. Next is where you choose the cash payment type if you have cash payment options available to your residents. Click on the pencil icon and select your option from the drop-down list and click Save. You are now ready to create a new amenity for your building. First, click on the New Amenity button. This takes you to the description page. You will then be required to write your amenity name, amenity group, and a detailed description for your amenity. You can choose the color of your amenity for easy sorting when you are on the calendar view. Choose your color, click Away to save it. Next is where you can upload images of your amenity. These images are shown on the home page or when a user is about to make a booking. Next is the Amenity Banner. If you want to change your Amenity Banner image, you may upload it here as well, if you have not yet done so from the main Amenity Settings page shown earlier. You can then decide if you require a comment from the requester by clicking Yes or No. The Show a Separate Menu Item option is if you would like your amenity to be shown under the Amenity Booking feature on the left-hand side menu for your residents to see. If you want to show the photo of the amenity on the home page when your residents log on to Condo Control Central, click Yes on the Show on Home Page widget to be enabled. Once you're done with the description page, you may click on the next button where you enter your rules for the amenity being set up. On this page, you need to select whether the amenity needs approval or if the booking gets automatically approved. Administration Group allows users without group permissions to administer an amenity. For example, your security and concierge group can administer specific amenities while all other amenities are administered by the property management. For this example, we'll be using security and concierge. Next is where you set the maximum booking length for the amenity based on the rules of your building. We will set this example for 3 hours. The volume of bookings allows administrators to limit bookings by unit or by user. Restrictions can be added for volume of bookings by day, week, month, and year. Next is where you enter the booking start and end time. You have 4 options from the drop-down list. No restriction has no specific booking time and end times, which means your residents can book this amenity during the 24-hour period. Hotel-style bookings will have check-in and check-out time. The most commonly used check-in and check-out times are 2 p.m. and 11 a.m. Daily style bookings allow only one booking per day. So if a booking is made for the day, there will be no option to book the amenity again for the same day. Time slots are used to define a specific slot available for residents to book the amenity. For this example, we will choose time slots. This amenity is open every day, so we will select all days, and is open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. We then enter 180 minutes in the box for the 3 hours that we have allotted our residents. When you click Save, your time slots are automatically populated. Next, you can select how many hours you want the amenity to be blocked by bookings after the actual booking has ended. For example, if the amenity needs to be cleaned. So if an amenity has additional cleaning hours, the system will automatically create out-of-service booking after the actual approved booking. Next, you will then be required to pick the minimum time before an amenity can be booked. For this example, we will choose 24 hours to give our security team time to approve any booking requests. We then enter the maximum booking lead time. For this example, we will choose 1 week. When a guest limit is enabled, residents will be forced to limit the guests to the set limit. You can also enable more questions about the guest if you wish and check all the questions that apply. Next is where you enable inspection. Inspection helps to have a record of the condition of the amenity before and after its use. You can create or modify inspection document on the Inspection tab on the Amenity Settings page. Once you have selected your pre-inspection and post-inspection document, you can click on Next. This takes you to the Terms and Conditions page. On this page, you will choose how you would like to handle conditions on this amenity, whether there are no terms, or if you would like your residents to agree online, or if the residents are required to sign a hard copy form that they have to pick up from management's office or security desk. The next step is where you enter your terms and conditions. Your terms and conditions will be displayed while your resident is booking an amenity, and the user must click I agree in order to complete a booking. Next is enforcing a signature. Choose yes to this option to enforce all users to draw their signature manually on the screen. If no is chosen, users will have a second option to use a typed version of their name as their signature for terms and conditions. If you have any custom payment details that will help the resident understand the payment options, this is where you may add them. Once you're satisfied with your terms and conditions, you may then click the Next button. This brings you to the Amenity Payment option. Pick a payment type to calculate the amenity fee. You have 4 choices from the drop-down list. Then select payment method you have available for your resident. For a paperless environment, we will choose the online payment option for this example. And then select the cancellation policy for the amenity as you have set it up for your building. Next is the fee calculation. Select whether the booking fee is a fixed amount or if it can be adjusted by management upon approval. The latter option can be useful for applying additional fees such as statutory holiday rates, last-minute bookings, or a security guard fee. Next is an option for the administrator to enable if there is a set future pricing. When future pricing is enabled for an amenity, residents will see different pricing for the future period you enable the pricing for. You can now enter the fee amount and the fee deposit. When the amenity options are enabled, users can pick different amenity options available along with the amenity. For this example, we will choose No. Once you're done with the payment options page, you can click on Next, which takes you to the final page of the setup. This is where you can review everything you have set up, and once you're satisfied with all the information you have entered, click on the Finish button on the bottom right corner. Now that you've finished setting up your amenity, it's ready for your residents to book. Once your residents have signed into Condo Control Central, they can simply go to the Amenity Booking feature that is shown on the left-hand side menu. They will then choose the amenity they would like to book by clicking on the button Book Now. This will take them to the booking page, which shows the terms and conditions that you have set up, also the pricing and deposit structure, along with the hours of operations. They can then choose the date and time that they would like to book the amenity for, and then click Book Now. This will take them to the booking details page where they can change their date and time if they wish, or confirm accuracy. Once updated, they can also opt to receive email reminders if they wish. Once they click Next, they can review and confirm their booking. They must agree on the terms and conditions, sign, and once they click Next, it will take them to a page to review and confirm their booking. The booking details, and once they click Save, their amenity is booked. If you need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. And again, my name is Christine Pons. I'm a Customer Success Manager here at Condo Control Central. Thank you.